name is Amber Turner and I am the CEO of Girl Censored. Girl Censored is a expressive fashion brand that I am so proud to be a part of. It's for the girl that loves to be comfortable, active, but still have a sense of style and expression through her clothes and apparel. When I started Girl Censored, I really wanted the brand to be very expressive. I feel like it's important for women to express themselves through their fashion. I think that it's fun, one, and it shows a little bit about who you are and what kind of person you are. If I could explain the aesthetics behind Girl Censored, I would definitely say that we have a more bold style. We take inspiration from K-pop, the 90s, plaid. We love things that just make a statement. One of the great things that I love about our brand is not only is it stylish and it's a way to express yourself through your fashion, but it also is comfortable. It's something that you can be active in. I think that it's important for us as women to be seen, and that's what our brand is about. We're about being bold and confident, and our clothes definitely state that. And with it being 2020, it's about time that we show the world that we are here. I am Amber Turner, the CEO of Girl Censored.